So we have written our first programming C. So let us look at some terms or some tools now, which is basically a C editor, a C compiler, and how execution of a C program happens. Now if you see, we type C program somewhere, either in Notepad, WordPad, save it with .c as a file extension. Same way we can write C program in something called as editor, which is called as C editor. Once we have written a C program in editor, it has to be converted into zeros and ones that computers can understand. So we compile C program. For that reason, we require C compilers. Together, editor and compiler is called as the IDE, which is basically a integrated development environment. This IDE consists of a C editor where you can write your code. So your variable declaration will be seen in some color, your code will be seen in some color, comments will be seen in some other color. Your program will be more readable, you can indent it properly. So all these facilities will be provided by C editor, which is combined into an IDE. Moreover, the same IDE will have some button. Once you click on it, it will compile your program. So IDE is basically an editor plus compiler with many more features. For example, the current IDE available in the market are Turbo C, Visual Studio for different operating systems. So once you have written a C program using editor, you have compiled it using compiler, you are using an IDE, you know how to use it, then this program is executed and it throws the output. So while we are looking at the execution of C program, we need to understand few things. Whatever sequence in which your C program statements or instructions are written, it is executed in the same sequence. It starts from top to bottom, left to right.